can I put this? There is no other way to access everything that you need in your life without using your brain. There isn't. If you are not using your brain as it was designed to do, you will not become your best. That's just the reality of the situation. No matter what you're doing, it won't be best. It might be better than average, but it will not be creme de la creme. And how you know that you're operating at your best is because you can teach it to someone else. So Kevin says he's in the audience, and next thing you know, he's standing up speaking to the audience. Now, I'm sure it's because he keeps doing his videos and he's up there, has financial literacy, and now he's telling everybody what they need to do. That doesn't happen if you're not at your best. You might be like, yeah, I might say, you might leave and go, yeah, man, I should have said something. I didn't say nothing. Dang it, I should have got up there and said something. But when you're taking risks, when you are technically competent, you have the ability to get up and speak. It's because you've done the work ahead of time. And it is in your daily when no one is paying attention. Today is February 26th and it's a Wednesday. But these are the days that matter. This is how the day that I went to aerosol school and did that doggone road march with bleeding hands and everything, I didn't know decades later I would be on TikTok saying, I actually do use a stride throughout. It works. You just have to have long legs to do it. That's not what I was thinking about. I was like, I ain't coming back to this motherfucker, so I got to finish this road march in time. Bleeding skin falling off, galls and everything else. It don't matter. I'm not coming back to aerosol school. So in addition to all this pain in my hands, I got to finish on time. Okay, Regina, you said, and then what did you learn? So my point is your brain is the most magnificent resource that you have available to you. When you use it to learn and function and increase your working memory along with the 74 principles of real leadership. Did I see your answer? Okay. Got it. Nola said, I learned how much you have grown in your graphic design. Yes, because when you see it next to each other, it's very interesting. And Regina said, so supported friend by driving to the hospital to visit friend who had a heart pump inserted. That's my go for it. See your answer. Okay. And then my second question, I understand all of that. And so now I'm saying, what did you learn today? So Kevin, what did you learn today? I saw what Nola learned today. So that's the whole point, is to use your brain, to use the 74 principles of real leadership, because that's how you become your best. That is how you become your best. When you believe in yourself, you can, a lot of things are possible when you have done the work to believe in yourself. You can't just say, I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in that's not it. It's work. It's a whole bunch of work in order. We have pictures of Nola when she first started. I learned the importance of being coachable. That's great. That when Nola first started, she didn't have she had on Chuck Taylors for 8 months and she got scoliosis. I was like, you need some better shoes. You need some better, got PPE. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. And now she has all the PPE. She has her shirts, looking around with her looking like the other TOs going to the 7-Eleven to get their Modelos, and she got her Good Pop walking in. They look like cousins now. So she got her whole contractor mode, but it took several hundreds of appointments and thousands of pieces of furniture for her to put together for her to have that level of confidence and belief in herself that she could get it done. So that's why you take risks, you challenge yourself, and we'll get to challenge yourself, but that's why you do it, so that you can actually believe in yourself. You learned expect change as it comes. It gives you skills and lessons for your future changes. It does. It gives you the resources. So for the thousands and thousands of days that you've been here, change was there. And if you avoided it and you ran and said, see, they're trying to get me to do, I ain't about to do all that. And now you're like, damn, when I was in high school, when I was in college, when I had that job, then I would be able to do this. So change is a growth opportunity. It just showed up as a problem. It just showed up at what you think is the wrong time, but it was in perfect timing because the dots will connect later. That's how it goes. So thank you very much. I do have one final question, is this. Do you have a better understanding of the principles of real leadership and how you can start implementing them? Because that's the purpose. So do you have a better understanding of them and how to use them?